Kita norok Simon India Sri Lanka by second ODI match pram position by Harry Oman Tinhan region to town at Tinhan region chat Taman Bo India payang itang. Got Tinhan region tam by Juntin evident Tish Hamalina. So it team num take a one so Chamanta eat team Jackman Sri Lanka Harry Kimnai, Sri Lanka Harry series by night take a katal. So team take one so Chamata team Jackman Sri Lanka Harry Katal cricket start Kanya take one so Chamanta team defense Indian fence on the tam ulta shocking Kairika. Colombo Puila match to one Sri Lanka by India Alzaka, Taijaka Azaka Hanbagai big Porok Kamanko or Steve Singna Pura Market Sazi and Witong. One Porankin second ODI match Sri Lanka Indian position and Pura Market Harika Tawokin Nazung O series Taimano na. Tung take a series by Homan on Evaka, tung take a series by a hang take a mess by a gatazung Pura series Harry Tanat Tai situation to the Sokway no Peka. India versus Sri Lanka ni jung take care upon take one of the India rock Poila second ODI match past time ba Sri Lanka take a Harry Tangan to jung care upon expectation Kajia Tamanta. Umanta past time the Sri Lanka India no Harry demand the India no match kata past time Poila match ODI pass ODI no Simon the tie on Oman per second kata India ro position match Harry Tangata. Sanantaki India and Rohit Sharma Masasi India team no jitina night the tie on your rocket upon she try Kaya Takang Matongo. Sungtang Nakaman Rohit Sharma Jeran no Kiwi Rohit Sharma run to Kibiru Kaka Bonnie is the team total run event on Kibiru Kakato. No like India or Poragum markets Harry and last match checkers Harry in the car. I went out there upon the lang Tangmeta so last match checkers only Tang night. Angel Cox Haman Num agreed the Kaki comment. I'm not agree the Rohit Sharma ran no Kibiru Kakata India team ran for a man. I con agreed the Kai Tolau communication yes Kayun Chadi. Tinika Obuno Saimala Botrisan by Harriman Indian Botrisan by Harriman Uni Karan Tamo Tomuni region Tamo. So let's start it. Pass ODI Meskinok Simon Azago, they joy the ball eglanch and Azago or Stipsing for a Sokatoga Nang Sokatoga night in a water. LBW Ardong Bono Markin Pencil Markin Jolly Zagatang Markin naturally with Manta. By a grand kick in there, Miss Python Bobbin, Pike Katak Borong Markin Jolly Zagatang Bono. Tai second ODI get on North Simon Sri Lanka Dush solution Heke Dush Jelisani Indiana target Ricata. India would Haskeno Puila the opening of market of Rohit partnership Satanambirana plus 0 which case by Tangakota. Jeffrey Rohichan out on one by Indian betting level per down no Tanka. Tai Sri Lankan betting to Basuma Karan Kinok Simon of Fernando solution Heke Fernando Mendes solution broken partnership Asiran Haipekata. India Dusha exolution target of the tank in Dusha others all out on Takata details over the Sipura over pipe and Tungmaya. Omani region number 1 country India team middle order betting. India team Jeffro Tung Satanobirana Sketchman Uke Tangia Tomanta. Jeffro Rohichan Maudong Itang Afrocano, they exos hassles and Soyuke Tangipeka. Oxford Vadungisha Borong Nashton Bopirifan Mana Mespan Piri Pinis Kaimanim take Tomatas to Telsman Peribo high out on Itanka. Region number 2 the last betting Sri Lanka the last betting Chadnama take a bed dominate Indian bowling as out Chikami on Tanka. Indian bowler doctor Sri Lankan the man betting out to think no one buying the bowler of betting but bowler runs out came on Takatobo, Kaisa quarter factor in Hinjago. Indian bowler the Sri Lankan betting next series no so you get hungry because the man betting no one Perekatai Walagi by Fernando Brock Praran Dusha Solis Talang Tankata. Region number 3 Indian the betting lineup no chance Kaimani. Delhi Tung Rohit Sharma Virat Kohli Sumon take about 10 jong opening for a line Katamon Oman Parika serious air care on Onkor Tomant Ada conscience Shimon the way Oxford Pattern Rohman Bagoyai, just serious air by Kela Bung Jaga on my young Buin Jagamat Brook Hamke performance Kaimia on Kata. Hanbang India Dush exolution target of the tank in position Uzagas on Harimani, no Guiman Kata. Now Mate Gutom Gomin India team Kusong in Jimas and knock by Matang, no Tam Sanamus Gutom Gomin to Tola Communicate Chaimano. Tai channel subscribe channel subscribe ka song kisa baka tong thogoi phayu nok channel subscribe khai ji hai nhai te ka ham bidu man on pack ko YouTube channel subscribe khai di